Unlock the future of freelancing. Dive into the realm of innovation with 8 cutting-edge AI tools, elevating your side hustle in 2024. Hello, freelancers and side hustlers. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest trends and tools to help you thrive in the ever-evolving world of freelancing. Today, we're diving deep into the future with 8 AI tools for freelancers running a side hustle in 2024. So, without further ado, let's get started. In the dynamic landscape of freelance work, staying ahead is key to success. As we enter 2024, artificial intelligence tools have become indispensable for freelancers looking to streamline their workflows and enhance the quality of their services. We've curated a list of 8 cutting-edge AI tools that will empower you on your side hustle journey. Tool 1. Grammarly AI Writing Assistant. First up, we have the Grammarly AI Writing Assistant. Perfecting your written communication is crucial in the freelance world, whether you're crafting emails, proposals, or content for clients. Grammarly acts as your personal editor, providing real-time grammar and style suggestions, ensuring your communication leaves a lasting impression. Imagine having a tool that not only corrects your grammar, but also refines your writing style. Grammarly does just that, making it an invaluable companion for freelancers who want to present their work with precision and professionalism. Tool 2. Trello AI-Powered Task Automation. Next on the list is Trello, a popular project management tool that has embraced AI-powered features. Trello's AI capabilities automate routine tasks, from organizing your to-do list to setting deadlines and sending reminders. This not only saves you time, but also allows you to focus on your core creative work. Imagine having a virtual assistant that takes care of your task management, giving you the freedom to concentrate on what you do best. Trello's AI-powered task automation is a game changer for freelancers looking to boost productivity and stay organized. Tool 3. Calendly Smart Scheduling Assistant. Scheduling meetings and calls can be a time-consuming challenge for freelancers juggling multiple projects. Enter Calendly's Smart Scheduling Assistant, our third must-have AI tool. With advanced algorithms at its core, Calendly takes the hassle out of the booking process by analyzing your availability and preferences. Imagine this: no more back-and-forth emails trying to find a suitable time that works for both you and your clients. Calendly seamlessly integrates with your calendar, making it a breeze for clients to book appointments with you. This not only saves you precious time, but also ensures that you can manage your schedule efficiently and maintain a healthy work-life balance. But that's not all. Calendly's Smart Scheduling Assistant adapts to your evolving schedule, offering real-time updates and notifications. It's like having a personal scheduling assistant that not only understands your availability, but also helps you stay organized and on top of your commitments. Say goodbye to scheduling headaches and hello to a more streamlined freelance life with Calendly. Tool 4. Canva's AI Design Tools. Visual appeal is the name of the game in freelancing, and our fourth essential tool, Canva's AI Design Tools, is a game changer for creative professionals. Whether you're a graphic designer or a content creator, Canva's AI enhances the creative process by suggesting layouts, color schemes, and even generating design ideas based on your unique preferences. Think of Canva's AI as your creative sidekick. It takes your vision and amplifies it, making the design process smoother and more intuitive. With its intelligent recommendations, you can explore design possibilities you might not have considered, giving your work a fresh and innovative touch. But the magic doesn't stop there. Canva's AI learns from your design choices over time, becoming more attuned to your style with each project. This level of personalization ensures that every visual you create not only meets but exceeds your expectations. Elevate your freelancing game with Canva's AI design tools and make your visuals stand out in a crowded market. Tool 5. Upwork's Talent Recommendation Engine. Navigating the competitive landscape of freelancing platforms like Upwork requires more than just skill. It requires strategic positioning. Introducing our fifth essential tool, Upwork's Talent Recommendation Engine. This AI-powered gem goes beyond the conventional job search by matching freelancers with projects based on their unique skills, experience, and past performance. In a world where standing out is everything, Upwork's talent recommendation engine gives you the competitive edge. By leveraging artificial intelligence, it sifts through the myriad of projects and presents you with opportunities that align perfectly with your expertise. This not only saves you time, but significantly boosts your chances of landing high-paying gigs. But the brilliance of this tool doesn't stop there. Upwork's talent recommendation engine evolves with you, adapting to your growing skill set and refining its suggestions over time. It's like having a career advisor that understands your freelancing journey and guides you towards opportunities that align with your goals. Seize the future of freelancing with Upwork's talent recommendation engine and open doors to a world of possibilities. Tool 6. Otterai Transcription Service. Efficiently managing meetings and client calls is vital for freelancers. Enter our 6th tool, Otterai's AI-Powered Transcription Service. This tool automatically transcribes spoken words into written text in real time, ensuring accurate records and facilitating easy reference and collaboration. Imagine having a tool that not only transcribes but also makes your spoken words searchable, editable, and shareable. Otterai is a game changer for freelancers who want to stay organized and enhance collaboration with clients. Tool 7. HubSpot CRM AI-Powered Sales Tools. For freelancers focused on client acquisition and relationship management, our 7th game-changing tool is HubSpot CRM's AI-Powered Sales Tools. In the competitive world of freelancing, understanding your clients' needs and behaviors is crucial, and HubSpot CRM's AI tools are here to assist every step of the way. Picture this. HubSpot's AI not only predicts lead behavior, but also automates follow-up emails, helping freelancers nurture leads and close deals more effectively. The CRM's artificial intelligence capabilities provide valuable insights into client interactions, allowing for personalized and targeted communication that sets you apart from the competition. But it doesn't stop there. HubSpot's AI continuously learns and adapts, refining its recommendations based on your unique freelancing journey. It's like having a virtual sales assistant that evolves with you, ensuring your client interactions are not just transactions but meaningful connections. Elevate your freelancing game with HubSpot CRM's AI-powered sales tools and transform leads into lasting relationships. Tool 8. ChatGPT. Last but certainly not least, we have ChatGPT. Is there anything that ChatGPT cannot do? This versatile generative AI application can be your go-to for drafting emails, creating short-form and long-form content, generating new business ideas, and even planning your workload. Whether you're a writer, designer, marketer, or any other type of freelancer, ChatGPT is here to assist you. Its applications are virtually limitless, making it an essential tool for freelancers looking to streamline their processes and achieve greater efficiency. And there you have it, folks. 8 AI tools that will revolutionize the way you approach freelancing in 2024. Embrace the power of AI to boost your productivity, streamline your workflows, and take your side hustle to new heights. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on freelancing, entrepreneurship, and the latest tech trends. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, happy freelancing.